Hey everyone, Dr. Perez here once more, and today let's talk about win-back therapy and how it can help you find relief from TMJ pain, okay? So if you're dealing with jaw pain, headaches, or muscle tension, this cutting-edge electrotherapy might be just what you need, all right? Win-back therapy uses advanced electrotherapy to target the muscles around the jaw and the neck. It sends gentle electrical pulses deep into the tissues, increasing blood flow, relaxing tight muscles, and reducing pain that is caused by the TMJ dysfunction. TMJ issues often lead to muscle stiffness and jaw pain. The win-back therapy helps to break down that muscle tension and improve tissue repair so you can start feeling better fast. This therapy is also non-invasive and painless. The electrical pulses stimulate your body's natural healing response, decreasing muscle tightness and reducing that inflammation in the area. When combined with chiropractic care, your results are amplified. As you may already know, chiropractic adjustments focus on realigning the jaw and the spine to correct any imbalances and misalignments. When your spine and jaw are properly aligned, the muscles in your face and neck can relax more effectively, giving you longer lasting relief. So, if you're tired of dealing with TMJ pain and want a natural, effective solution, win-back therapy combined with chiropractic care can help you feel better and live pain-free. So if you're looking for more information, visit us at synergyovito.com and book your appointment.